All right, this is Masada Radio Song 28. All right, now this is another soulful um, reggae joint from the 1970s. Now I turned the drums down on here, left the speed the same, and I'm turning the vocals down. I think I'm going to let the vocals come in at first, and then I'm going to turn them down. So it might be a nice little hook situation for you guys. All right, hope you enjoy it. Yo, support your boy. Go to thecyclekid.com. We got to support each other. I love y'all. Listen.
I was born and raised in the ghetto. I was born and raised in the ghetto. I'm the woman of the ghetto. Listen to me, legislator. Long as nobody
I was kind of feeling that one right there. But yeah, man, I just think that like we don't get a lot of those kind of records where people flip like soulful like reggae. You know what I mean? And I don't know. Maybe y'all can do something with that. But go to psychokid.com, support your boy like I support you. I love all of you. Respect.